Welcome back to our channel Saishayu Option Scalpers. I'm your host Bhushan Pathak and I'm going to take you through an exciting video nugget, new learning nugget today. नमस्ते दोस्तों, सैशायु ऑप्शन कैलकुलस में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज मैं आपको एक बहुत ही उम्दा बढ़िया और स्ट्रैटेजी बताने वाला हूँ जिसके जरिए आपको रोज एक कंफर्म ट्रेड मिलेगा। यस, यू हर्ड मी राइट गाइस। दिस इज a Diwali gift. Diwali is over, I know, and Christmas is fast approaching. So this is a festive gift from my channel to all of you. This please till the end. Chalo, let's start now. Guys, these smart players, smart money, you call it smart money, big fishes, big money, whatever you know, these institutional guys or whoever moving market, they are called as market makers. These guys, they create their positions every day and for every expiry. Have you ever wondered when exactly do they create their positions and when exactly do they wind up their positions? This entire data is available in option chain and various platforms give you this data in a different way. But everything is available on chart because chart is made of data only, right? So let's figure out here are Nifty का chart आपके सामने and this is November expiry and I'm going to give you a very insightful clue wherein you can have one trade every day, one confirmed trade. So guys, ये जो बड़े लोग हैं जो भी पोजीशंस बनाते हैं और बिगाड़ते हैं, सो या तो वो शॉर्ट बिल्डअप करते हैं या शॉर्ट कवरिंग करते हैं, वेदर दे हैव अ लॉन्ग बिल्डअप और लॉन्ग अनवाइंडिंग, they create their position every day and in a particular time, and they wind up their positions every day in a particular time. So we just need to know when and what are they exactly doing and what are they not doing so that we can avoid our trades if they are not moving in that direction. So let's start guys. This is a 5 minute chart. I'm going to a 5 minute chart. You can take any time frame, not less than 5 minutes, of course. I do not go less than 10 minutes, but some people are trading at 1 minute chart also. And I salute their bravery. They can trade 1 minute chart. I do not go below 10 or 15 minutes time frame for charting and for trading intraday. So this is how I trade one confirmed trade every day. These smart players, ये जो smart players हैं दोस्तों, I call it closing high and closing low. So what is closing high? You have heard about previous day high and previous day low, right? हमें PDH, PDL और PDC यानी कि previous day close ये तो पता है. But you convert this to any time frame, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and check this out. ये जो प्रीवियस डे का क्लोजिंग हाई होता है, क्लोजिंग हाई इज आफ्टर 1 p.m., 12:30 or 1 p.m., between 1 to 3:30. You just need to mark this high of previous day. ये जो प्रीवियस डे का क्लोजिंग हाई बिटवीन 1 to 3:30 हाई पॉइंट मार्क कर लो एंड लो पॉइंट भी मार्क कर लो. सो लो ऑफ योर क्लोजिंग टाइम. So closing time is 3:30. So between 1:30, I repeat, let me type it here. Okay. Closing high and closing low. You just need to mark this. And what is that closing high and closing low? It is nothing but, let me change this color. You just have to mark that and keep that. Observe this trade for 15 minutes, 15 days, 1 week, whatever you feel comfortable. And then you can start taking trade about it. Now let me back test it for you. So ये मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, this is closing high, closing low आपको monitor करना है. Let me increase this size quickly. So closing high and closing low of every previous day. So this is today's date and I have marked, see, yesterday's closing high and closing low. So time after 1 p.m. high of after between 1 to 3:30 high mark कर दिया and low of the same time. Okay, 1 to 3:30 ka low. Now what is happening? Whenever they create their positions, so every institutional investor or these big guys, they start taking their positions between 2 to 3:30. But on a safer side मैंने आपको बोल दिया कि 1 hour पहले का भी एक ले लो. So between 1 to 3:30 का high और उसका ही low ले लो. And they create their positions here and they trade next day according to this level. ठीक है, इसी लेवल को नेक्स्ट डे ट्रेड करते हैं. And if this level high or low is getting compromised, they start unwinding their positions. So ये देखो, yesterday's high was this high blue line and low is this line. So now today they are opening gap down. They opened here somewhere. Okay. And whenever market is going, if bulls are trying to take this on a higher scale, they don't allow above, even above closing yesterday's close. यहाँ पे allow नहीं किया, they pulled it down. And once you know that this was their position high and they are taking it down, you can take put only and start a downward trend here. Okay. So यहाँ पे और एक example लेके देखते हैं. So this day is 12th November and I'm marking 12th November closing high and closing low. ये रहा, मैंने closing high mark कर दिया 12, ये रहा, I'm marking this as a closing high and I'm marking closing low. So I will be aggressive after either of my level is compromised or broken on the other side. So this is my high and they are opening gap up. Look at this. Yesterday's previous day ka close tha ye, and they opened here gap up and they tried to go up, and at the same time the closing high was getting approached and they throw it down and you get a nice rejection trade here. So whenever they are approaching closing high, you get one rejection trade, and this is good. Nifty ka ye candle hai. This is good 30 rupees trade, guys. 30-50 rupees trade. So my target is 20 rupees every trade, and I'm out. I'm a scalper. So, and I'm a buyer. So 20 rupees, 20, 30 rupees every trade, I'm comfortably out, and I keep trading multiple times. So 2 to 3 or 4 trade maximum in a day, and I'm happy capturing 50 to 80 points. And again, if my day's low, yesterday's closing low is getting crossed with volume, I will have aggressive trade because this level is now getting broken and they are now going down. So this is also 100 rupees trade, 100 rupees premium, guys, in option. Look at this, they are going down. And let's go back and check any other day. Even see, this was a trending day till 11 a.m. and then they were sideways. So I'm marking this. What happens next day? From 1 p.m. high, okay, 1 to 3 p.m. high, and I'm marking same low, same time. The what is lowest low during that time? This is my low. So anytime my high is getting approached, and this week I'm on a higher time frame, 15 minutes ka time frame hai ye. My high, this was my rejection trade, and whenever they are coming down, they will come here because this is a defense trade. Okay, and this is my rejection trade. This level of previous day's low, closing low, I'm repeat, closing high and closing low, this is getting compromised, and then I will have a nice rejection trade. My target would be this minimum day low ka target hai, morning low. Okay, now let's understand another day, any day. This was a bearish trade because bearish tha ye. Now let's understand a bullish cycle also. Thankfully, we have a bullish day. This is my closing high. And where is my closing low? Let's check. 130 ये था. So for that matter, this is too far. Let's take this also. This. And they are opening gap up above closing high and gap up above previous day's high. So it could be a bullish day. Whenever they are opening above previous day's high, absolute high, it would be a bullish day. And whenever they are coming down after gap up, this is again buy on dip day, and they are giving you a trending day. Now this is enough of recent days only. Let's go back to some other days. ये मैं जरा पीछे जाके और चेक कर देता हूँ. This is only October. Let's go back to some other days. See this, guys. I'm here. I'm back in September. Is it September? Yes. I'm back in September. ये रहा. This is my closing low. ये closing low मैंने मार्क करके रखा है. And closing high. So whenever they are going down, there is 15 minutes में आपको आराम से 30 रुपीज मिल जाते हैं. They are opening gap down. यहाँ पे gap down open किया and they tried to go down here and approached here. Closing का high भी approach नहीं करने दिया. Closing level, and they got it rejected. And once they are trying to go up, you will get one rejection trade here. Look at this, one rejection, second rejection. And once this high is कंटिन्यूड दिस हाई इज डिफेंडेड, ये देखिए ये हाई लेवल पे ऊपर जाके if price sustains here, then only we will call it as a bullish day. Okay, let's go here. Let's go back and check here. So this is the day when I have a latest data. The previous far most data सितंबर का ये है फ्यूचर का डेटा. लेट मी सी. यहाँ पे मैंने ये हाई मार्क ये लो मार्क कर दिया. दिस इज माई लो लेवल and this is my high level. So whenever they are approaching a gap up, not a significant gap up, whenever they are approaching my closing high, I will have one rejection trade. And look at this is comfortably a 20 rupees trade. And whenever they are crossing my closing low, I can have aggressive trade and earn peacefully. So one trade every day is enough. 20-30 rupees a day, they are far enough for me to कंटिन्यू एज अ ट्रेडर. एंड ये कंफ्यूजन दूर कर देता है कि मुझे एग्जैक्टली ट्रेड लेना कहाँ है. सो वेन एवर यू आर सीइंग दिस लेवल्स आर गेटिंग चैलेंज्ड और कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड, यू कैन हैव वन ट्रेड एवरी डे बेसिस दिस लेवल्स. और ये मॉर्निंग में ट्रेड काफ़ी अच्छे मिलते हैं एंड इन सेकेंड हाफ यू कैन कीप मार्क दीज लेवल्स. एंड यू प्लीज रिमेंबर, आपको होमवर्क एक दिन पहले रेडी रखना है, और एटलीस्ट व्हेन बिफोर मार्केट स्टार्ट्स यू शुड बी रेडी विद दीज लेवल्स. And observe this, do not go as per these videos, because you need to have your psychology in place. जो बता रहा हूँ, I have practiced it hard for so many years and then I am sharing this with you because I have traded this, I have earned good fortune out of this. But you need to practice it till the time you believe it. Okay, और जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तभी आपको बिलीव आएगी. फर्स्ट मॉनिटर दिस, ऑब्जर्व दिस एंड कंसल्ट टू योर मेंटर्स, गुरुज. if you don't believe this, or if you want to trade this really, you can get in touch with also. We have our academy, so you can get in touch with also for how to trade this. But if you have someone who is guiding you, please consult with them, share with them. This is again, see, I'm marking here. एक example आपको और share कर देता हूँ. This is my closing low. I'm just marking this level here. So my closing low is not approached. First यहाँ पे approach हो जाता है, and this is my closing high hypothetically. तो जब भी मेरा हाई विथ वॉल्यूम क्रॉस हो जाता है, ओके, फर्स्ट आई विल हैव अ रिजेक्शन ट्रेड 15 minutes, good half an hour trade, okay, and I'm pocketing 30-40 rupees here. And then once this level is getting crossed with volume on upside, I will have a trending day, simple. And my maximum target would be my previous day high. इतना ही मेरा टारगेट होगा. Previous day I am happy with these candles, okay, and then let's see how day behaves after that. तो बाकी हम कैसे ट्रेड करना है अगले वीडियो में देखेंगे. but this is how you can trade, you can have one trade, peaceful one trade. I am focusing again and again how to trade F&O peacefully and sweatlessly. A sweatless trade, a peaceful trade, F&O trade, which is very crucial, very important in our daily life. और ये आपको 10 बजे के पहले ही ट्रेड मिल जाता है, पीसफुल ट्रेड. एंड वन गुड ट्रेड आफ्टर 1:30 PM बेसिस दीज लेवल्स. सो आपको इतने ही दिन के 2 ट्रेड मिल गए या एक भी ट्रेड मिल गया, काफ़ी है अपने लिए. एंड देन गो ऑन फॉर योर ओन वर्क. ठीक है, डू नॉट बॉदर इन फ्रंट ऑफ स्क्रीन फॉर 6 hours. That is a job of a full-time trader. Do not bother yourself for 6 hours, and every now and then if you have some other important task to do. I'm a full-time trader. I can afford to be in front of same screen for hours together. But ये आप एक ही मॉडल ये एक्सेप्ट कर लो, एडॉप्ट कर लो, पहले से प्रैक्टिस करो, ऑब्जर्व करो फॉर some good 10-15 days, 1 month, and then paper trade it for first time, first few days, and then practice it with your real money. But consult someone if you are not understanding this video, consult someone or consult us before trading it live with your real money. Thank you so much, Chesto. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and families. Thank you so much. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ.